Yes, hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Yes, how are you? How is your exam? Okay, so yes, today we will going to talk about this FCAT answer keys, okay, the exam that held today shift to all sets, okay? Right. So yes, let's start the class here. So as you know that there are batches going on, okay, for FCAT, right? So in order to prepare well for your exam, in order to have ample practice of questions, okay, we know that yes, these courses are very much important. Okay, so FCAT exam online coaching 2025, this course has been going on. Okay, like you can enroll in these courses. So yes, the live classes will be there in this. Okay, in-depth lectures will be there, study notes, okay, mock test, current affairs, and defense current affairs. So everything you can see from the live classes to the revision to the mock test, everything is included here. Okay, so yes, we do offer these bundle courses for SSB interview, NDA exam, CDS exam. Okay, CDS, for FCAT also, MNS, Territorial Army, and also the mock test. Okay, for FCAT, NDA, CDS, right? So please do join these in order to gain maximum benefit. Okay. So yes, you can use this code of Warrior 10 if you want to enroll in these courses, right? So yes, you can avail 10% discount on all of these courses. So let's talk about the exam pattern for FCAT 2022. Okay. So yes, here you can see that for FCAT, the general awareness questions will be there. Okay, the general awareness questions are asked. Then verbal ability in English, numerical ability, reasoning, and military aptitude test. Okay, so 2 hours duration, 100 questions for 300 marks. Right. So this is all about it. And yes, the 3 marks is for the correct answer, 1 mark is deducted for the incorrect answer, and no marks for the unattempted one. Okay, so yes, we do have the negative marking in the FCAT exam. Okay, now if we talk about the FCAT 2024, okay, FCAT 2 2024 for the question analysis. Okay, so yes, numerical ability se 20 questions the, reasoning and military aptitude there is 25 question, English and verbal ability 30 questions, and general awareness 25 questions. Okay, so these are the questions, these are the weightage of the questions that was asked in the exam. Okay, right, so let's have a look on the difficulty level also. So English and verbal ability easy, general awareness easy, numerical ability moderate or tough, reasoning and military aptitude easy, overall analysis is easy here. Okay, so yes, you can see that the level of question paper is not a difficult one. Okay, some questions of numerical ability you can find it from moderate to tough, other part is easy, right? So yes, this is the new syllabus for FCAT 2 2024. Okay, for English, general awareness, numerical ability, reasoning, and military aptitude test. Right? Okay. So yes, let's have a look on the FCAT previous year's cutoff marks. Okay. So for the FCAT 2 2023, the cutoff was 151. Okay, for 2023 FCAT 1, okay, that was 155. For FCAT 2 2022, 157. Okay, so you can see the different cutoff is being given, and the cutoff is from 130 to 160. Okay, right, so this is the range of the cutoff generally. Okay, so yes, in order to gain maximum benefit, please enroll in our courses. Okay, so because everything is covered from the live classes to the to the mock test, right? Study notes will be also available to you. ठीक है, स्टडी नोट्स भी रहेगी आपके पास, लाइव क्लासेस भी रहेगी, मॉक टेस्ट भी आप दे सकते हैं. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर द एग्जाम. ओके, राइट, सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द क्वेश्चन. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये शिफ्ट 2 का है. ओके, FCAT 2 2024. शिफ्ट टू क्या है? ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ सुभाष चंद्र बोस इन ICS एग्जाम? ओके, so Subhash Chandra Bose, you know, he was a freedom fighter, okay, freedom movement leader, right? So he resigned from Indian civil services in 1921. So what is the position that he secured? He secured 4th position in the exam. Okay, next question is, who is the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Okay, so first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna. The first two non-Indians who received Bharat Ratna were Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan in 1987 and Nelson Mandela in 1990. Okay, so there is no written provision that Bharat Ratna should be awarded to Indian citizens only. Okay, तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि Indian citizen है तो ही उसे भारत रत्न मिलेगा. Okay, so these were two non-Indians that were awarded the Bharat Ratna. Okay. Next question is, first Indian to score test century in cricket. So Lala Amarnath Bharadwaj, okay, was an Indian cricketer. He is considered to be the father figure of Indian cricket. He scored the first ever century for India in test cricket in 1933. तो सबसे पहला इंडियन जिन्होंने टेस्ट सेंचुरी स्कोर किया क्रिकेट में, he was Lala Amarnath Bharadwaj. Okay, right? So yes. So he scored, like here you can see 1933 mein he has scored the first test century. Okay, first Indian to score the test century. Okay, next question is, what is the first nuclear reactor? Sorry, which is the first nuclear reactor? Okay, तो पहला nuclear reactor कौन सा था? Yes, Apsara. Okay, the name of the nuclear reactor is Apsara. So Apsara was the first nuclear research reactor in India and also Asia. Its design was conceptualized by Dr. Homi Bhabha. Okay, he is the father of the Indian nuclear program in 1955. Okay, so reactor का नाम क्या था? Apsara, and it is dedicated to nation in 1957. जो उस टाइम के प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Okay, तो पहला न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर का क्या नाम था? It was Apsara. Okay. Next question is, ranking of India in military expenditure 2024. Yes, ranking of India in military expenditure. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि इंडिया की रैंकिंग इज 4th, USA फर्स्ट, चाइना सेकेंड, रशिया थर्ड एंड 4th इज इंडिया. ओके, moving to next question. Yes, so yes, we all know this. Who is the author of Ignited Minds? Okay, तो Ignited Minds के author कौन है? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, right? Okay, next question is, how many players in the basketball? Okay, basketball में कितने players होते हैं? So basketball team में 5 players होते हैं. Okay, and it is played between 2 teams of 5 players. Okay, 2 team होती हैं, दोनों में 5 players होते हैं. Rectangular court होता है, right? And each team tries to score by tossing the ball through the opponent goal. जैसे कि आपको पता है फुटबॉल में होता है opponent goal में we focus on the opponent's goal. Similarly यहाँ पे भी opponent's goal पे focus करते हैं and the ball need to be tossed through the opponent's goal. So yes, so it has this elevated horizontal hoop net and that is known as a basket. Okay, तो आपको पता है ऐसे hoop होता है, circular hoop along with the net. Okay, so that is the basket. Okay, next question is, which greenhouse gas does not occur naturally? कौन सी ऐसी greenhouse gas है जो naturally present नहीं होती? So जो greenhouse gas है उसमें water vapor है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, मीथेन है, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड है और ओजोन है. ओके, सो ग्रीन हाउस गैस जो कि नेचुरली डज नॉट अकर, दे आर द HFCs. ओके, दे आर द HFCs, दैट इज द हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स. ठीक है, देन दे आर PFCs, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride, SF6. Okay, so they are generated in a variety of industrial process, right? So like these are the name of some ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, और जो नेचुरली अकर नहीं करते दे आर HFCs, PFCs एंड SF6, राइट. Okay. Next question is, Keir Rodney is a Prime Minister of UK. Yes, so this was the question, right? That Keir Rodney किसके Prime Minister हैं, कहाँ के Prime Minister हैं? So of UK. Okay. So Sir Keir Rodney Starmer, okay, KCB, KC. He is a British politician and barrister who has served as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom since 5 July 2024 and as leader of the Labour Party कब से 2020 से. Okay, right. So these are the simple questions with the additional information that is provided. Okay, all right. Next question, length of Atal Bihari Vajpayee Bridge. Yes, what is the length of Atal Setu? Yes, Atal Setu, we all have heard about it, right? क्या length है? So this is India's longest sea bridge और इसकी length है 21.8 kilometer. Okay, so this is a long 6-lane bridge and it is in Mumbai. Okay, bridge की जो length है that is 16.5 kilometers. Okay, so near about 17 kilometers इसकी length है over the sea and about 5.5 on land. ठीक है. Okay. Next is Nalanda University established in. Nalanda University कब established हुई थी? So the university was established by an act of the Indian Parliament in 2010. Okay. तो ये जो university है, this is being established by the act of Indian Parliament कब 2010 में. Okay. So with the President of India serving as visitor of the university, Nalanda University is a premier research university located in the ancient city of Rajgir in the state of Bihar, India. ठीक है. तो ये नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? इन द एंशियंट सिटी ऑफ राजगीर. ओके, बिहार में प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है. नालंदा, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय एम्परर कुमारगुप्ता I of the Gupta Empire around 427 CE and was supported by numerous Indian and Javanese patrons. ठीक है. तो इंडियन और जो जावानीज पैट्रन्स थे, they supported this. Okay, and both Buddhist and non-Buddhist. So even यहाँ पे Buddhist भी पढ़ते थे and non-Buddhist also, right? So yes, this is all about it. Nalanda is one of the very famous university of that time. Okay, next question is Freedom at Midnight book is written by. Yes, जो Freedom at Midnight है, ये book किसने लिखी है? So this book is by Larry Collins. Okay, and Dominique Lapri. Okay, so this is about the event around the Indian independence movement and partition. Okay, so originally ये publish हुआ था 1975 में. Okay, and this audio read भी इसका available है. Okay, that is by another one, that is Frederick Davidson. ठीक है. तो ऑडियो रीड फेडरिक डेविडसन का है और ऑथर्स इसमें लैरी कॉलिंस हैं, डोमिनिक लैप्री हैं. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज हु वन द विंबलडन 2023 लेडीज फाइनल. तो यस, 2023 में जो लेडीज फाइनल हुआ विंबलडन का, तो वो किसने जीता? यस, सो यहाँ पे 2023 में किसका नाम है? मार्केटा का. ओके, Marketa, he is okay. So yes, so she won the ladies final of 2023 Wimbledon. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे 2021, 22, 24 का भी mention है. Okay, so yes, Marketa was from Czech Republic, right? All right. So moving ahead to the next question, in which 5-year plan was the poverty eradication mentioned? So yes, 5-year जो प्लान होते हैं, तो कौन सा 5-year प्लान था जिसमें पावर्टी, गरीबी को हटाने के लिए पावर्टी इराडिकेशन को मेंशन किया गया? So the 5th 5-year plan in the regime of late PM इंदिरा गांधी focused on poverty eradication, गरीबी हटाओ. ठीक है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में और जस्टिस के बारे में. ठीक है. So yes, so the 5th-year plan, okay, that was under late PM Indira Gandhi, that was during this time 1974 to 1978. Okay, so this 5-year plan has talked about poverty eradication or गरीबी हटाओ. ठीक है. Okay, next is in which state is Hoysala temple? Yes, Hoysala temple किस state में है? So the sacred ensembles of the Hoysala, okay, the famed Hoysala temples of Belur, okay, Halebit and Somnathpur in Karnataka. ठीक है, तो किस स्टेट में है? कर्नाटका में. Okay, so that has been added to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, okay, World Heritage List में. तो यूनेस्को आपको पता है, you know, it creates this World Heritage List, okay, तो उसमें this Hoysala temple is included. Okay, this has been added to it. So this inclusion marks 42nd UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. Okay, so yes, which is the state? The state is Karnataka. Okay, and it has been added to the to this UNESCO World Heritage List. Okay, what are the core values of Indian Air Force? Yes, core values of Indian Air Force. Yes. So some of the typical values that are important to us as air warriors of the Indian Air Force: integrity, very much important, loyalty, okay, respect, excellence, positive attitude, accountability, mission orientation, teamwork, professional knowledge and a whole lot of other character traits. ठीक है, तो ये तो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स हैं, जैसे इंटीग्रिटी होना, ओके, राइट, लॉयल्टी होना, राइट, वी शुड बी लॉयल टू द थिंग्स दैट वी आर डूइंग, ओके, देन रिस्पेक्ट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट, एक्सेलेंस इन द वर्क वट एवर वी डू, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, ठीक है, अकाउंटेबिलिटी, ओके, वी शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द थिंग वी आर डूइंग, ठीक है, सो येस, लाइक वी शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ, तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी का मतलब है वी शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ, ओके. Mission orientation, so whatever is our goal, we should be focused on that. Teamwork, professional knowledge and a whole lot of other character traits. Okay, all right, next is MSDE partners with what government to energize agriculture sector of India with emerging skills? MSDE ने किसके साथ पार्टनरशिप की है, किसके साथ पार्टनर हुआ है to energize the agriculture sector of India with emerging skill? Yes, so in order to uplift the agriculture sector, MDSE किसके साथ partnership किया है? So the correct answer here is Australian government. Okay, so MSDE का full form क्या होता है? Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Okay, so in collaboration with Australian government, okay, they have hosted a comprehensive and productive round table to discuss the learning from Australia India critical agriculture skills pilot project. ठीक है, तो ये एक ये एक this is one department that is for skill development and entrepreneurship. तो इसके साथ किसने collaborate किया है, किसने partnership की है? Australian government के साथ इसने partnership की है, okay, in order to uplift or energize the agriculture sector of India. ठीक है. Okay, next is where is the headquarter of International Olympic Committee? Yes, International Olympic Committee का headquarter कहाँ पे है? So International Olympic Committee, that is IOC, okay, so the headquarter is in Lausanne, okay, Switzerland, Lausanne, Switzerland. So basically जो IOC का headquarter है वो Switzerland में है, okay, Lausanne, Switzerland. So it is non-governmental international organization under the Swiss Federation. ये कब बना था? 23rd June 1894 में, and it acts as a supreme authority to organize the summer, winter and youth Olympic Games. Okay, so yes, right, so this is it. Okay, then next question is which country introduced the first ombudsman? Yes, ombudsman. So ombudsman, they are basically, you know, the helper, you can say. Okay, so the first country in the world to set up an ombudsman institution is Sweden in 1809. ठीक है, 1809 में स्वीडन वॉज द फर्स्ट कंट्री जिन्होंने ये ओम्बड्समैन का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था. ठीक है, so it is a part of system of administrative law for scrutinizing the work of the executive. So he is the appointee not of the executive but of the legislature. Ombudsman enjoys a large measure of independence and personal responsibility and is primarily a guardian of correct behavior. Okay, so yes, Sweden is the first country to introduce the first ombudsman. Okay, next question is गांधी सागर सेंचुरी लोकेटेड एज, जो गांधी सागर सेंचुरी है वो कहाँ पे लोकेट हुई है? यस, सो इट इज इन मध्य प्रदेश. ओके, गांधी सागर सेंचुरी एक वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है. इट इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द नॉर्दर्न बाउंड्री ऑफ मंदसौर एंड निमांच. ओके, निमाच. सो दीज डिस्ट्रिक्ट आर प्रेजेंट इन मध्य प्रदेश. सो गांधी सागर सेंचुरी ये मध्य प्रदेश में है, इंडिया में. ओके, so it is spread over the area of 368.62 kilometers square. So yes, it is adjoining Rajasthan state in India, and it was notified in 1974 and more area was added in 1983. Okay, all right, so yes, the next question is which was the first satellite of ISRO. ठीक है, पहली सैटेलाइट इसरो की कौन सी है? आर्यभट्ट. ठीक है, so Aryabhat spacecraft, it was named after the famous Indian astronomer, was India's first satellite. It was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by Soviet Cosmos, okay, 3M rocket from Kapustin Yar on April 1975. Okay, so basically जो first satellite है इसरो की, that is Aryabhat. Okay, so yes, here we have come to the end of the class. Okay, so yes, as you can see that there are so many courses going on, okay, for the interviews, for the AFCAT. Okay, और वो जो courses हैं उसमें सारी चीज़ें cover होंगी, live classes, study notes, mock test, everything will be covered. Okay, so in order to gain maximum benefit, please do join the classes, right? So yes, here you can see कि AFCAT के भी different batches हैं, they are going on. Okay, you can enroll in these courses. So the mock tests are also, we offer the mock test also, the different bundle courses also, right? So in order to avail, discount of 10%, you can use this code of warrior 10, okay, if you are enrolling for the course, right? So yes, this is all about the questions, okay, that was asked in, yes, in the shift 2. Okay, so let me tell you here one thing. So yes, like the questions that we have started, okay, right? So these were from the shift 2 questions. Okay, ठीक है, ये जो questions है ये shift 2 के हैं, but यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है this is from shift 1. Okay, author of ignited minds, this is from shift 1, right? ठीक है, तो ये shift 1 के questions थे that we have discussed. So yes, this is all about it. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Okay, the question levels are not so difficult. Okay, right? So yes, this is the end of the class. All right, so yes, this was all about the answer key discussion. Hope you all have understood the things, right? So let's end the class here. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining it. Jai Hind.